Imagine a virtual replica of a physical object, constantly updated with real-time data. This is the essence of a digital twin. It's a dynamic digital representation that mirrors the life and behavior of its physical counterpart. Digital twins leverage sensors, data analytics, and artificial intelligence to create a powerful tool for understanding and optimizing complex systems. Think of it as a bridge between the physical and digital worlds. As the physical object operates, the digital twin receives data on its performance, condition, and environment. This constant flow of information allows for real-time monitoring, analysis, and even prediction of future behavior. The concept of digital twins has been around for decades, but advancements in technology like IoT and cloud computing have made it more accessible and powerful than ever. This transformative technology is revolutionizing industries, enabling better decision-making and unlocking new possibilities.
At the heart of a digital twin is data. Sensors embedded in the physical object collect a vast amount of information, including temperature, pressure, vibration, location, and more. This data is then transmitted to a processing unit, often in the cloud, where it's integrated with other relevant information. The digital twin uses this data to create a dynamic model that mirrors the physical object's current state and behavior. Sophisticated algorithms and machine learning models analyze the data streams, identifying patterns and providing insights. This continuous feedback loop allows the digital twin to evolve alongside its physical counterpart. Any changes or events in the real world are reflected in the digital twin, providing a real-time window into the object's performance.
Digital twin technology is making its mark across a wide range of industries. In manufacturing, digital twins are used to optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and improve product quality. By simulating different scenarios, manufacturers can identify bottlenecks, test new designs, and reduce downtime. Healthcare is another field where digital twins hold immense potential. Imagine a digital twin of a human heart, constantly monitoring its function and alerting doctors to potential problems. This could revolutionize patient care, enabling early diagnosis, personalized treatments, and improved outcomes. Smart cities are also leveraging digital twins to improve urban planning, traffic management, and resource allocation. By creating a virtual replica of the city, urban planners can simulate different scenarios and make data-driven decisions to enhance sustainability and quality of life.
Section 4. Benefits of digital twin technology. The adoption of digital twins brings numerous advantages. One of the most significant is increased efficiency. By providing real-time insights into operations, digital twins enable businesses to optimize processes, reduce waste, and improve productivity. Predictive maintenance is another key benefit. By analyzing data from sensors, digital twins can detect anomalies and predict potential failures before they occur. This allows for proactive maintenance, minimizing downtime, and extending the lifespan of equipment. Moreover, digital twins enhance decision-making by providing a comprehensive and up-to-date view of complex systems. This enables better informed decisions, leading to improved outcomes in areas such as product development, resource allocation, and risk management.
Section 5. Challenges and considerations. While the potential of digital twins is vast, there are also challenges to address. One concern is data security. As digital twins rely on vast amounts of data, ensuring its security and integrity is paramount. Robust cybersecurity measures are essential to protect sensitive information from breaches and attacks. Integration difficulties can also pose a challenge. Connecting various data sources and systems can be complex, requiring specialized expertise and careful planning. Ensuring seamless data flow and interoperability is crucial for the effective functioning of digital twins. Furthermore, the ethical implications of digital twins, particularly in areas like healthcare and privacy, need careful consideration. Establishing clear guidelines and regulations is important to ensure responsible development and deployment of this technology.
Section 6. A digital twin success story. The city of Singapore provides a compelling example of how digital twins are transforming urban environments. Virtual Singapore, a three-dimensional digital twin of the city-state, is being used to address challenges related to population growth, resource management, and climate change. This ambitious project integrates data from various sources, including sensors, cameras, and government databases. By simulating different scenarios, city planners can test the impact of new policies, optimize infrastructure development, and improve disaster preparedness. Virtual Singapore showcases the transformative power of digital twin technology. It demonstrates how this innovative approach can help us build a more efficient, sustainable, and resilient future.